Acumatica started as a mom and pop reseller on eBay, selling athletic shoes. From there we built a fully scaled e-commerce platform. We employ just under 50 employees located here in Dallas, Texas.
We decided on Acumatica because we were looking for an ERP that could also act as a backbone for all of our other systems. Something that would integrate with our e-commerce platform, our warehouse management solution, and business intelligence reporting suites.
We had a lot of problems having our systems communicate and work together. Ultimately, we were having to patch this with homegrown solutions.
Because of Acumatica's customizability, we've been able to work with our partners to create custom integrations that make the business work to our business processes. We're able to integrate all of those systems natively into the ERP, and that reduces the amount of development that we have to do in-house. We use Acumatica integrated with Magento using Kinsium's eCommerce connector and Fusion for warehouse management.
Now we're fully integrated and we're using it across all facets of our business.
With NetSuite, we had difficulty because even people in the warehouse are being charged the same licensing fee as somebody in accounting. Acumatica has a licensing structure that is going to allow us to grow at a faster rate. Everybody in our business, except for the janitorial staff, uses Acumatica.
Acumatica has really allowed us the opportunity to focus on our business, which is selling shoes, instead of focusing on IT and development. Acumatica has a tremendous product, but ultimately, it really has the opportunity to fully customize your solution to your business needs.
We've been excited to be a pioneer for Acumatica's eCommerce Edition. Acumatica has been behind our success, and their support team has been integral in making sure that we've been as successful as possible. I would definitely recommend Acumatica to somebody looking for a new ERP solution. Because of its flexibility, Acumatica would be a great asset to any business trying to expand its e-commerce platform.